Yo, it has been a hot minute since I made one of these Rain World gameplay videos. Oh my god. It was not getting quite as much attention as I was expecting or hoping, so I just kind of gave up on it for a little bit. Did some other stuff, but no, we're back. I think I saw on a few other Rain World related videos they were getting some attention, so I thought, hey, maybe people will be interested in this finally. But you know, I also enjoy the series. It's just I know it was a mix of like that, and I'm mostly getting busy with doing other things. Let me just relearn this real quick. There we go. Yeah, and then double shift. There we go. Okay. Don't worry. I don't just do these things just because I'm. Okay, we were in the undertake. There you go. I don't just do these things just because, like, based off like what gets the most attention. Otherwise, I definitely would have started off doing something completely different. But wait. How do I? There you go. Double is all coming back now. Okay. There we go. Okay. No, that's not going to work. Okay, there we go. Is there a spear over here? Maybe? No spear. Okay. Is the rock weighing me down? The rock might be weighing me down. There we go. No. No, come on. Yes, and then there we go. All coming back. I definitely want to grab that spear just then. There we go. Got the spear. No. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, these heights, bro. These heights. Ooh. They got me all the way messed up. So I'm a little bit paranoid. But it's probably fine. Wink. Ooh, that's a lizard. Hello, lizard. Bye-bye, lizard. You know, the orange guys never really bothered me too much. Not quite as much as the others. Like the invisible white lizard. Gotta hate that guy. No, don't you dare! Fantastic. It's fine, we had the flower thing. Okay. So I know the rocks are good against lizards. Ooh, spear. Good. Didn't want the rock anyways. There we go. And nice. Oh, that's very nice of you. And they call this a hard game. Num. Eat. Consume. Can I swing with it? No? Okay. Oh, no. Okay, I think that's what screwed me over a little bit, you know? No. Oh my god. Please. No. Should I just... Oh, now you get it. Nope. Don't you dare. Okay, I need to... Have I already been over here? Yeah, I think I need to go over there. Oh god, unless this was just the... Oh, my previous personal gameplay. Maybe that's what's kind of doing me. Is there a way to reset the map? Oh, you're just there. Okay, that's fine. You ain't the white lizard, buddy. You're fine. I can survive you just fine. Thank you. Unless you can crawl on there. Yeah, can you? Whee! Nah, we're good. Oh no, you can. Oh no, no. Oh, this is in Indiana Jones, and this is where the rocks come in handy. Bitch! Bastard! Give back, back! I say, no, no. To the right. Oh, okay. Come on, up here, and then I drop down here, and then to the left, and then to the right, and then whoa! No! Oh, I went the wrong way. No! Wait, no. And then let go. Yes. Damnation. Okay, the game just gave me another flower, so... Come on. Hate these things. Still. Could be worse. Wait, I just want to make sure I can't throw... No, okay, I can't throw it. Okay. I can't remember, did I give him a name? One of these days I'm just gonna fall down. I'm just gonna pathetically fall down. There's gonna be no fight. I'm just gonna jump and then whee! I'm dead. Screw it. How do I get up there? What? I have forgotten. Tell me, what's over here? No, that's... Wait, oh, there's another flower. Why is there another flower? Is it... Why do flowers keep spawning? Should I just not take the flower? That'd make things a little bit more interesting. You know what, no. Yeah, I'll take the flower, thanks. No. Oh god. Put! Eat. That bastard. See, this is why we always take the flower. Wait. Flowers do be spawning in the weirdest places nowadays. No. Oh, no flower. But I can see the orange glow of a lizard. No. Bad dragon. Whatever you want. Yeah. Alright. How the hell do I get up there? I'm just gonna go this way. Just gonna go this way. Please. There we go. Oh, food. Okay. Nice. Come on. We're gonna eat the weird, glowing, radiant spaghetti. There's one more. I'm not being gluttonous. It's just preparing for the future, you know. There we go. Fully, all full now. Oh, that's nasty. I don't want to go down there. Oh, I forgot how far that goes. I'm trying to go. I gotta go that way, but then how do I get back up there? How do I do this? I forgot, but then again, that's what makes it exciting. You're gonna be on the other side of it. Oh, you aren't. Okay, that's good. Oh. Yo. No! Missed! Tarzan. Oh. Oh, no. Where do I go from there? Oh, I got it. Yes. Yes. Weapon. Okay then. Oh, just, yep. There we go. Come on. Through the strange, ancient, mystical structure. Oh! That's why it wasn't showing up on the map! Oh my days! I never needed to go right. Why was it? Oh my god. You know what? No. No. Excuse me. Throw this fucking thing away. Take me. Just take me. At that point, you just give up. Or something, I guess. No, please! Oh my god, okay. Right, top left. I'm just gonna beeline straight for it. No, my god, because I know there's food up there. What the hell's down here? Whoa, I hate it when the game does that. No, oh my game's frozen. I don't know what. Oh, no, okay, there we go. We're good. Oh, this goes. Oh, okay, over there. Oh, okay, this is fine. Wait. Oh. No. Ah, there we go. Okay. Stupid lizards. Wait, and then I slide down here. Oh my days, please. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna lose you. I was trying to get rid of that spear earlier, and I oh my. Okay, hold on a second. I'm just gonna. There you go. Wait, no. Oh, no. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put you over here. You just don't go anywhere, right? We're gonna go on a little adventure together. But please don't. Please. Please. Why? Why do you hurt me so? Please. Come on, I know I've been using you to like no, not this time. I know I've been using you to traverse these these ancient corridors for a while. Please, I just need you a little bit long. It's for a righteous cause. Wait, okay, you know what? I don't trust myself. I don't trust myself with these spears around you anymore. God. Okay, but this is a piece of garbage, so I can use that. Oh wait. All right. That took way longer than it should have. Again. And then I'm going to take you as well. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to go through this really obnoxiously long corridor. No, come on, just go. Go! Please. Oh, there we go. Ah, there we go. Finally. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh my god, no. No, I hate myself. This is a completely valid reason to hate oneself. No, I should put, if I haven't already been doing, because I can't remember, I should put hashtags on my videos. That's a good idea. That's the thought I had. I swear, if I fall off right now... Jeez. No! Oh, you mean to tell me I have to do this twice? All I had to do was not fumble. That's so hard. Okay, whatever. All I had to do was not fumble. Oh, whatever. It's part of the adventure. Yeah. Now we just have to do that again. Come on. Here we go. Oh wait, hold on a second. Yeah, ha, there we go. I got that. So now we just go back to sleep again. Can you just close up again? Yep. And then back. Thank you. There we go. Okay, now we're good. Now I just need to not do anything stupid and we'll be fine. There we go. Will this give me anything? You know. No? Okay. Fine. Okay. No, I never gave you a name. Should we bother giving him a name? I don't know. I said that earlier, but... I feel like this is more of a, well, it's not even really a symbiotic relationship, you know. I'm bringing him to new places and he's helping me, so... No, I don't need this. If I fall down between, or if I die between now and getting to the next checkpoint, or the end up, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Okay, okay. Hey you. Dance on him, dance on him, dance on him. Hi. Oh, he didn't like that. No! Please! Just stand. Please! I can't remember. Can you go on the walls? Like the background walls? No? Okay. That's funny. That's not antagonizing me though. Let's just go. Oh, he's just getting he's just getting a run and jump. Can you go over here? Huh? Oh, ooh. Kinda looked like you were going to. But alas, you cannot. Oh well. Ooh, womp womp as they say. Lock in. Chat. Yeah. Lock in as they say. Oh, good. It began to regrow. Alright. Food is growing, postulating on the walls. It's fine. I don't know what this little guy is though. Ooh, glowing stick. Oh no, it's just lights coming out of nowhere. Like, whatever. Tweet. Sneak past the two lizards. What the hell are you doing? The ground's very interesting, is it? Hmm? Nope. Alright. Okay. And after about maybe roughly 2 minutes, I do not trust myself with that spear. We're here on the main inner operational bit of whatever, you know, this tower, this construction, this building. Okay then. 5 pebbles. 5 pebbles. Yes. I mean, 500 5 pebbles. Ooh, okay, at least here's a checkpoint. There we go, nice and clean in here. Man. All that just to get up here, oh my god, it's been too long. Boom. Does this give me progress for anything? No. The Wanderer. Ah, yes, good. The Wanderer. Should I continue? Should I save? I mean, I could just save that. Anyone who's, you know, wondering. Anyone who's played this game before will know what's ahead, but anyone who doesn't, you know, we can always just save that for next time. So, yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I should make more of these. Yeah, just keep making more of these. Busy for a little bit, but yeah. Now we're back. Sorry if any of that was particularly painful, but then again, what's an adventure if you don't trip up a few times? Oh yeah, thanks. Bye.